morning. I'm going to call this workshop session of the Del Mar College Board of Regents to order at 10 a.m. We have a quorum and can conduct business, but we'll begin with a moment of silence. Thank you. Dr. Sherwood, would you lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance, please? Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, with liberty and justice for all. And would you please join me in reading the Del Mar College Vision Statement? Del Mar College will be the premier choice for life-changing educational opportunities provided by responsive, innovative faculty and staff who empower students to improve local and global communities. Thank you very much. Del Mar College is streaming live audio and video from the official Board of Regents meetings on the college's website in real time, with the exception of portions of the meeting considered as closed session by statute. Before we get into the agenda, I wanted to call to the Regents' attention, we have new microphones. And so there is a little silver button that will turn it on and off. It's green if it's on the base, so it's easier for us to see when they're on and off. But you do need to turn it off when you're not speaking, or it will hear shuffling of papers and sneezes and whatever else may happen. So just wanted to let you all know that. We now will have an opportunity for any general public comment before we start our workshop agenda. Is there anyone for general public comment? Seeing none, we will move on. We have one item of business today, which will be a tour of the new East Campus General Academic and Music Building. When we depart this room, we'll just recess, and then we'll have to come back here at the end of our tour. I will need at least 5 of us to come back here so we can officially adjourn the meeting at that point in time. Dr. Escamilla, is there anything you'd like to say in an introduction before we start walking?
No, just that today's a really great opportunity to experience the General Academic Music Building, music being phase 2, and we're going to be enjoying the activity of live classrooms and so forth. So this is not an empty building by any means. This is post construction, and so you're going to see everything happen live. So thank you for being here, and we're excited. The Richters are here, David and Elizabeth Richter with Richter Architects. So they're our design firm who brought this wonderful facility together for us by way of design and have been with us for a very long time. So they'll be leading the tour this morning.
Wonderful, thank you very much. And with that, we will recess and begin our tour. Ladies and gentlemen, the board has reconvened following our tour of the new East Campus General Academic and Music Building. We want to thank the architects and our staff for putting that tour together. And with no further business on this workshop agenda, our meeting is adjourned at 11:54 a.m. The March board meeting will be a week later than normally scheduled on March 17th. That is due to spring break. Being the second week of March, I hope staff and students enjoy that. It's already time to talk about spring break. Can you imagine that? Yep. And then our April board meeting will be back on our regular board meeting day on the 14th. For those of you who want to support the foundation in their activities, what used to be Bernie's Crawfish Boil and is now Bernie's Spring Bash is going to be on April 16th. And that's all the calendar we have for this point in time. Anything else for the good of the cause? If not, our board meeting is adjourned at 4:31 p.m. Thank you all.